Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. Today I will be taking divisibility by 2, 4 and 8 in this video. And for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. I will keep uploading videos to solve your queries and to solve your problems. So let's get started. Today I will be taking divisibility by 2. Let us consider some multiples of 2. Why I am taking multiples of 2? Because I am checking divisibility by 2. So whatever are the multiples of 2, they will be divisible by 2. So let me take few. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and it will go on. Can you find some pattern in their ones place digits? Yes, find some pattern in the ones place of these numbers. What is the pattern? Each of these numbers has an even digit in its ones place. You can see that this is ones place only. This is 2, 4, 6, 8 because these are single numbers, so they are as ones place. Now I am taking 10 and 12. Can you see that ones place is 0 and 2? So that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In the ones place, we can see that here we have 0, here we have 2. These numbers are already at ones place. So these numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. Since these numbers are divided by 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and gets remainder 0. So numbers like 2, 4, 6, 7 because ones place is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Ones place is not an even digit, so this number is not divisible by 2. Again I am taking 4 into 9. Ones place is 9 which is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is again not an even number. So these are not divisible by 2. But the numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place, these numbers will be divisible by 2 and the remainder will be 0. Since we are getting remainder as 0, this means they are coming in tables of 2. And when they are coming in tables of 2, that means it is divisible by 2 and leaving remainder 0. So the divisibility test of 2 says, divisibility of 2 says, it is concluded that a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. So you need to have either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 to get the number divisible by 2, and in that case remainder will be 0. Divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of a number are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. We need to take rightmost two digits out of 3-digit number. I am taking last two digits, tens place digit and ones place digit. Now why I am taking 3-digit number, why not 2-digit number and 1-digit number? Because they can be easily checked by dividing. But for 3-digit number, we will be applying the divisibility rule. And for that, I will be taking the number formed by the last two digits of a 3-digit number from the rightmost. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, that is ones and tens, is divisible by 4. Let me take one example. Now, I am taking 316. How to write it in expanded form? 3 is at 100 place, 1 is at tens place, 6 is at ones place. Now 3 into 100, 1 into 10 and 6 into 1. I will be adding all these numbers to get 316. But what to do for 16? Because I am interested in the number formed by the last two digits, that is tens place digit and ones place digit. So the number formed by the last two digits is 10 into 1 plus 6 into 1, that is 16. Since 16 is divisible by 4, so the number 316 is divisible by 4. Have you understood? I have taken the rightmost two digits which is as ones place and at tens place. And I am checking the number formed by them. If it is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Now I am taking divisibility by 8. For the divisibility by 8, I will be taking 4-digit number. And the number formed by the last 3 digits, I will be taking them to check whether they are divisible by 8 or not. I am taking 1000, 2104, 1416 and these numbers are divisible by 8. Can you see the pattern in them? Let me explain. Look at the numbers formed by the last 3 digits. These 3 digits. These are divisible by 8. You can see 104. 8 ones are 8. 24. Not 24. Now remainder 0. So this is number. The last 3 digits were divisible by 8. I am getting remainder 0. So that means it is divisible by 8. So we find out how we have concluded. We find out 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So it will depend upon the divisibility rule that how many digits you have to take. For the divisibility test of 2, I was checking only ones place and it should be even number. For the divisibility test of 4, I was taking 3 digits and I was checking the divisibility test by considering last 2 digits, number formed by the last 2 digits. And for divisibility test of 8, I am checking the number formed by the last 3 digits. So this you have to remember in which divisibility test you will take how many numbers and which number is to be checked. So that's why for 2 I will be checking only ones place. For 4 I will be checking number formed by tens place and ones place. For 8 I will be checking number formed by hundreds, tens and ones place. So this will depend upon each number divisibility rule. Now I am summarizing what I have taught you in this video. Divisibility by 2, 4 and 8. First I am taking divisibility by 2. As I have explained to you, I will be checking only the ones place digit in this divisibility test. I am taking number 16. 1 is at tens place, 6 is at ones place. Now my ones place digit is even. So this number 16 is divisible by 2. The ones place digit either should be even or 0. That is, it should be one of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 to be divisible by 2. Since 6 is out of these numbers, so 16 is divisible by 2. Now I am taking divisibility test by 4. For that I have taken number 162. I will be taking the number formed by the last 2 digits from this side. I have checked whether 62 is divisible by 4 or not. Since I am getting remainder as 2, that means 62 is not divisible by 4. What I should get as a remainder? Remainder should be 0 if the number is divisible. But in this case, I am not getting remainder 0. So the number 62 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 162 is not divisible by 4. This complete number will not be divisible in that case. Now for 8, I have taken 1416. To check the divisibility by 8, I will take last 3 digits. Now last 3 digits are 4, 1, 6. When I have tried to check by division method that whether it is divisible or not, I am getting remainder as 0. Since 416 is getting divisible by 8, therefore the number 1416 is divisible by 8. So for the divisibility test, you need to check the number at ones place for the divisibility test of 2. For divisibility test of 4, we will check the last 2 digits, and for the divisibility test of 8, we will check the last 3 digits. Thank you for your support. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes. Keep sharing, keep learning. Thank you.